Hola clase, bienvenidos al programa de español en línea. Yo soy el profesor Gilberto García y en este video we will cover how to express when, where, or how an action occurs using adverbs. Remember that the adverbs are the words that we use to describe actions. And then expressing how long something has been going on. The word that we're going to use is hace, which comes from the verb hacer with expressions of time. Muy bien, let's start with the adverbios. Okay, so the adverbios are going to be words that help us to describe cuando something is happening. Okay, we can use these words siempre, nunca, a veces, mañana, etc. We can talk also about dónde, aquí, allí, arriba, abajo, etc. How this action occurs, bien, mal, regular, etc. Also the adverbs, we can transform adjectives into adverbs. Remember, the adjectives are the words that we use to describe nouns. Now the adverbs are going to be the same, but for the verbs. So we have adjetivos plus the word. What is this? Es un cerebro, es mente, okay? So the same way that you use in English the ending ly, for example, for daily, frequently, what else? Beautifully. Yeah, well, en español, the ending that we're going to use is going to be mente. Por ejemplo, we have all these adjetivos and we can transform these adjectives into adverbs adding the ending mente. This is going to be un sufijo. So, por ejemplo, relativo, relative, relativamente, tranquilo, which is like calm, perfecto, perfect, básico, basic, difícil, difficult, frecuente, frequent, and then simple, simply. Bueno, in English it's going to be the same word, simple, and then simply with the Y here. So, en español, we change this to an A, and then we add mente in order to transform to an adverb, perfectamente, por ejemplo. And then, for example, for this one, básica and difícil, as we can see, these words have accents. We are going to keep the accents, and then we are going to add mente. Okay. And then for the other ones, we just need to add mente. Okay. Like frecuentemente, frequently. Okay. Another adverbs that we use is to describe frequency. Like diariamente, daily, mensualmente, monthly, semanalmente, weekly, and then anualmente, annually. Okay. Entonces, por ejemplo, what is the frequency that you do these actions? Por ejemplo, I can say, we have the first one, ir al supermercado. I can say, yo voy, we need to conjugate the verbs, yo voy al supermercado semanalmente, just once a week. Okay? Let's try to practice. Let's pause the video and try to practice the frequency that you do these actions. Okay, como, muy bien, bien, mal, regular o muy mal, the how of these actions. And then frequency also, we can use these ones. Okay, por ejemplo, I can say, ¿cómo conduces? How is your driving? Oh, yo conduzco bien. Okay, this is the adverb, I'm describing the action. ¿Con qué frecuencia conduces? Frequency. Ocasionalmente porque no tengo coche en Lubbock. Okay, let's try to use these verbs and try to work on different sentences so that way you can apply different kind of adverbs. Okay, the next part, we have some other actions and we can use adverbs to talk about these actions. Por ejemplo, the first one. Camino rápidamente cuando vuelvo a casa para comer. Let's pause the video again and try to work on these sentences. If you want to use these adjectives and you want to transform them into adverbs, remember, we just need to add the word mente. Muy bien, the next section is expressing how long something has been going on, hace with expressions of time. We have this timeline, pasado, presente, and futuro. And, por ejemplo, I can say something that usually happens. Los estudiantes almuerzan normalmente, and we are using an adverb, normally at noon. Okay, ¿qué hora es right now? Son las 12, noon. Imagine that right now is 11:20, so it's been like 20 minutes that the students, are having lunch. So in Spanish we can say that hace 20 minutos que los estudiantes almuerzan. What about this one? Cierto o falso, true or false. Hace un año que Obama no es presidente. What do you think? No, no es hace un año, is more than 1 year. What about this one? Cierto o falso. Estudian español, these are going to be ellos, estudian español hace 10 años. What do you think? I don't think so. Yo creo que is less than 10 years. It can be, we can say, maybe hace 5 años. Ok, vivo en Texas hace más de 14 meses. Oh, no. Bueno, this one is right, but I don't think so because we are right now in the 2024. So maybe it's more than that. So hace más de 7 años, 8 años, 9 años. Hace un año que Trump es presidente. Hace más de un año que Obama no es presidente. Yo creo que these two are wrong because it's more than 1 year for the first one. And the same for the second one. It's been like, this was in the 2020, maybe it's, what can we say, more than 4 años. Hace 4 años que no es, no, Obama is more. Well. Entonces, imagine, estamos en clase de español hace 30 minutos. Ok. Vivo en Estados Unidos hace 8 años. Yeah, we can say yes for this one. Muy bien, nos vemos en el siguiente video.